In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gann swing high, low V2 indicators in TradingView Pro quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through step by step how to find this indicator inside TradingView, add it to your chart, and get into the settings so you can start using it right away. Even if you're fairly new to TradingView, by the end of this video, you'll feel comfortable adding this tool to any chart you're analyzing. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. At the top of your chart, look for the Indicators button. This is usually near the toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the main Indicators and Strategies panel, where you can access both built-in tools and community scripts. Once that panel is open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click on the search field so it's active and ready for typing. This is where you can quickly look up any indicator by name instead of scrolling through categories, which saves a lot of time, especially if you use multiple custom tools. Now, in that search bar, carefully type Gann swing high, low V2. Take a moment to type it slowly and double check the spelling so TradingView can find the exact script you're looking for. As you type, TradingView will start showing matching results below. When you see the Gann swing high, low V2 indicator appear in the list, click on it once. As soon as you do, it will be added directly to your active chart, usually overlaying the price with new swing markers or lines. With the indicator now on your chart, the next step is to customize it. Hover over the indicator's name in the chart legend, usually found at the top left of the chart area. You'll see a small gear icon appear next to the indicator name. Click on that gear icon to open the settings window. Here you can adjust inputs, colors, styles, and visibility, so the indicator matches your trading style and is easy for you to read. Take a bit of time to explore these options and tweak them to your preference. Then click OK or Close to apply your changes. Finally, if you haven't upgraded to a paid version of TradingView yet and you'd like to unlock more indicators and features, use the link in my video description to sign up. That way, you can take full advantage of tools like Gann Swing High Low V2 inside TradingView Pro and build a more complete trading setup.